it's not very hard. It's a very soft kind of plastic fiber, so it is flexible. I did record while coming to this place from home, but one very big blunder that I did was I did not attach the mic. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am at the outer ring road service lane. So this is the Nehru outer ring road, and it is like 3 to 4 kilometers from my home. So I decided to take my motorcycle out after a very long time. It's a Saturday evening. You can see the sun going down, and it's been very long since I have taken out this motorcycle. The last time I have taken out this motorcycle was when I went to office last week. That is on, I guess, Thursday, and today is next Saturday. Almost 7 to 8 days, and the bike did not give any issues while cranking it up. It did crank well. And the purpose of this video is to show you the extended mudguard that I have installed and to give you a feedback of how it is performing. The front mudguard is installed over here, and I have installed it myself. I went online to check what are the different front mudguards that I have, and I got this one and installed it. And the issue that people were pointing out was it is too close to the fairing. It might hit the fairing. Yes, it is too close to the fairing, and when you are braking or going over humps, it might hit the fairing. But the point is, it's not very hard. It's a very soft kind of plastic fiber, so it is flexible. Even if it hits here, it will go inside. This fairing will not get damaged. This is very flexible, so I have kept that in mind. And I am making this video after riding it for close to 1000 kilometers. It's been 3 weeks that I have installed it. I have ridden it in the city with some very bad roads, and it did not damage the fairing, and nothing happened. So it's proven that this particular front mudguard is not going to damage the front fairing. Now, coming to its usage, you can see the bike is quite dirty right now, and also I've ridden it in a lot of rainy conditions, and that's the reason why it is a lot of dusty and muddy over here. But if you see this side, there is no mud or slush. Usually if the front mudguard is not there, and if you ride in the mud and slush, the major issue that people face with the 457 is it throws a lot of mud onto the rider, meter console, and all this area is filled with mud. That's not a good experience. That's the reason why I installed this front mudguard extender, and it is doing its job perfectly well. And if you want to see how I have installed or purchased that front mudguard extender, you can follow the link in the description section down below, where I have installed and given a complete step-by-step procedure to install the front mudguard. That video will be really helpful if you are interested to install the front mudguard. And next thing is about the dual horn. So I have also installed dual horns on this motorcycle. This is how it sounds. And initially I installed the dual horn inside the fairing, but I noticed that it was not making that sound really loud, so I pulled it up. So it's in the same mounting, but it's just that instead of going inside the fairing, it is outside the fairing, and it does not come in between the motion of the front handlebar. This kid saw this motorcycle and got excited, and he was asking me whether I have a YouTube channel or not. So I made him subscribe my channel. He looks really excited and he wants to follow the channel. Why not? That's the level of attention this beast gets. So I usually don't capture all these kind of moments, but somehow I thought of capturing it right now. Baunda bandi? Chalo, right. Bye. Parenti? Yashwant. Usually this road is always empty. You will hardly find vehicles here. So the place where I was standing, it's very close to Leonia. You see that building? That's the Leonia resort. And I usually come here when I want to ride this bike or chill out on my motorcycle, because this place is like 5 minutes away from my home. I need not go anywhere outside, and that's the advantage of staying in the outskirts of the city. I did record while coming to this place from home, but one very big blunder that I did was I did not attach the mic, and after coming here I realized that the entire audio, the camera has just captured wind noise and no audio was there. So that's the reason why I had to record it again over there. But no issues, these kind of things keep happening. YouTubers life. I also want to talk about the left side pulling issue that multiple users have reported. I have seen in my YouTube videos as well, multiple users have commented that does your bike pull to the left? And let me show that to you. No need to answer it. I will show that to you once. If I leave the motorcycle, you see the bike is not going towards the left. It's at the center. So left pulling issue is not there in this motorcycle. But many people faced this issue as well. And one more issue that people have faced is that their battery runs dead if they don't start the motorcycle for more than 2 days. But that's not an issue with this bike, because I have tested it today and I started it for after more than 6 to 7 days and it did crank up. There is no issue. The bike has done 8,482 kilometers to be precise, and I think this is the first bike on entire YouTube which has clocked so many kilometers. There might be other bikes who might have clocked more than my bike, but no one has shown it on YouTube. So I think this is the first motorcycle on YouTube. And of course, why not? This is the first motorcycle which was delivered to a customer in the country, so it has to clock a lot of kilometers. And the third service is due in next 3,500 kilometers. Probably in next 2 to 2.5 months you will get to see the third service video as well. I really love this road. Sweeping corner. This machine is a corner cover. No need to put any efforts. It just leans. The best handling machine in this entire segment. You see this auto blipper. Since the time I have installed the quickshifter and auto blipper, I have forgotten that this motorcycle has the clutch also. What an evening. It's like a therapy for me. This is what we as motorcyclists want. And I feel truly blessed to enjoy all these things. Upshifting without using the clutch, not letting go of the accelerator. The quickshifter performs phenomenally well. I am also planning to go for an aftermarket exhaust, and I don't want to go for any second copy or third copy exhaust, and there is no full system exhaust available in the market as of now. So I'm planning to get the headers which are locally made. I will get that, and I will install a slip-on original exhaust, I think from Accra, because one of my friend has a slip-on exhaust for the R3 which he is not using it. I'm planning to buy that from him and buy the headers for this motorcycle, and we'll see how it performs on the 457. I have seen many people installing fake exhaust, copy exhaust, but I don't want to do all those things. No matter which gear you are, you just need to pull the accelerator. It lunges forward like a beast. I'm about to reach my home, and this is a military area. On the right side, it's Air Force Station, and on the left side also, this land belongs to Air Force Station only. I have reached my area, and that's it about this video. I hope you found it helpful. If yes, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button because it's free for you but definitely helps me a lot, and don't forget to post your thoughts in the comment section below. With that, I will sign off from this video, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.